welcome back. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are playing Royal High in Trading Hub, and also, by the way, I just got scammed, but it's okay. Today, as you see, I brought my friends, my BFFs, Ike and Kaylar. It's a little okay, a little glitchy. Okay, stop. So, Kaylar is in my house. Ike is online. So, like,
yes, Daddy.
Today, trading ballroom and friends. Okay. So, today we are doing, trying to get Ike's dream items in Trading Hub, and then whoever got it first, Ike will give us 23,000. So we're trying to win. And also, there is also a part 1. This is a part 2. The part 1 is in Kaylar's YouTube channel. It's Kaylar Tube. So go check it out and subscribe to her. Also, Ike Tube. So yeah.
Let's start.
And also, like, again, I just got scammed, and you will see I will get scammed and like.
Kaylar, I told you to stay at the 3rd floor.
Oh, why?
I wanted to show you something. Just stay there. I said don't move.
Okay. So Ike's dream item is she won a parasol, a Shadow Empress, and a Valentina corset. So we're gonna try to get that. By the way, if you're thinking, how did I get scammed? I got scammed by my Dear Dolly Heels. Yeah. I'm not gonna tell you all because I don't want to spoil it. So, yeah.
I feel really bad.
It's okay.
I feel bad too. Like, I feel like I did this mess. Like, I feel like I did that to Teresa. And I tried to trade her back the Dear Dolly Heels, and she's like, no, and no, and no.
I mean, it's okay, because, like, I don't really like tall heels anymore. I like my Elizabeth. And this is Ike.
I am the Star Wars king or queen.
Okay.
Of Cheeto Puff.
So, let's see.
There's no one that is trading Shadow Empress or Parasol or Darling Valentina. I think we have to change to another server.
Yeah, guys, we'll be back when we change to another server. So guys, we're in another server, as you see, and I'm still kind of sad. So, okay. I'm gonna just trade her. Hello, I am trading you, a set. Why did you trade me? Hi. What can I offer for the skirt? Oh gosh, these ads keep coming up.
I also want the Valentina skirt, yes, and the Shadow Sisters if there is. Yes.
What?
This girl has the Shadow Express boots and the Valentina
I don't
skirt,
know,
so
good things. Or like, okay, let's see.
Yes, queen.
This or this.
Trading Val heels.
Do you want Val heels?
Yeah, sure.
Kaylar saw a girl that says trading Val heels. Hopefully she said something good. Something like, sure. Or something like, okay.
You know what? I hope he doesn't say no thank you.
Yeah, I think she's gonna say no thank you. No, wait, AFK. Oh, okay. AFK it is. Let's see, this or this.
This girl has all the items I want. The Halloween halo, the Valentine's skirt, and the Shadow Express boots. Wait, Kayla, you could trade her now.
I just said I wish I never got scammed. Like, literally, I just wish I never got
You
scammed.
could trade her, Teresa.
What?
You have the Shadow Express heels and the Val skirt and everything I want.
Where?
Over here.
Where is she? Oh, that girl?
I'm jumping.
Okay. No!
It feels so bad to me, not you.
What?
I also feel bad to you. Just calm down. Aki, you want the Donna and Valentina's lollipop heels?
Yeah, kind of.
Yes. Then you're gonna give it to me, huh?
Wait, but like,
I'm just so quiet. She said it's not for trade.
What is not for trade?
Her skirt.
Oh, that's so sad. Well, I'm getting her. No!
Yeah.
She said she's gonna take my thigh high.
Who?
Which girl? She's.
I actually don't want the Valentine heels. Don't trade your thigh high. I know it's your favorite boot.
No, it is my favorite boots.
Yeah, then don't trade it. Just don't.
I don't
I'll
want
just ask for something else.
She said tell. Never mind.
Queen, how about this girl?
Wait, is this girl invisible?
Oh no, she declined.
Who is that girl?
That girl.
This?
Fine, I'll change what I need.
I think she left. Yeah,
I'll
she did.
change it to
It's fine. It's fine. I'll try. We'll try.
No.
Yeah.
I'll change it to the emerald earrings.
Really?
I have the emerald earring.
It's not fair.
Oh wait,
I'm still sad that I got scammed. Guys, comment down below if you know what to like. Comment down below if you know how to like get away like your feelings from a scammer.
You want the mermaid earrings, right, Aki? You want the emerald earrings, right, Aki?
I'm gonna trade this girl.
oh no, I can't. No.
It's fine. Just take it.
No, it's okay. No. Guys, guess what?
What? It's
I'm
already
gonna
9
give you both
minutes.
10,000.
Why?
Why?
Because you guys tried so hard to get
But I
all your
didn't
items.
try so hard. I'm just trying. Not try hard.
I tried until I got scammed. I tried until I got scammed. But okay.
Guys,
Mm,
Teresa, trade me.
why?
No, don't trade me. It's fine. I don't need it. and live like poor.
Why did you say that? Why do you want me to trade you?
Okay, because I just want to say something.
What?
Since you
I'm just
tried
trying to
so
get the baby
hard
doll dress.
to get me what I want,
Are you sure?
What is? Oh,
Yes.
jeez.
Oh my gosh. No, I can't do it. I have to trade you something.
come on, just do it. I don't need anything from your inventory. Nothing.
I feel bad. Are you sure?
Yeah, I don't really wear them anymore. So.
I'm gonna wear them every day. I don't know if I'm gonna wear them every day, but I'm still gonna wear them. Thank you so much, Ike. By the way, if you don't
and I'm gonna
know,
give Kaylar something that she really, really wants.
and if you guys don't know, I really want those cherry blossom Komodo sleeves. They're like one of my favorite items, favorite sleeves. Oh my gosh, you're so nice.
Yeah, you're getting.
Accept already.
Wait, it says 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh, you're so nice. Wait, I want
Kayla,
to
what's
try
your
it.
dream item?
What?
Kayla, what's your dream accessory?
Oh, someone traded me.
Actually, I wanted
Hi.
Okay, you know what? I'll accept this. Do a dolly for you.
No, don't. Kayla, you don't have to.
It's fine.
No, decline it.
No.
No.
I'm
No.
fine with this.
Kayla. No, you don't have to. No, don't. Decline it.
It's fine.
No, it's fine. I don't need it.
You need it.
No, if I have it, I won't really even wear it.
You do it.
No. This girl.
Fine.
Decline it. No! Decline it before she trade. No.
Come on, do it, girl.
No, decline it, girl. Decline it.
Kayla, since you don't have a
Uh,
Oh,
oh my gosh, you have so many jewel choker necklace.
Which one is that?
See? And I have them.
Trade success, yay.
No, Kayla, give it back.
No, she wouldn't even give me back like that.
I have
Well, I'm ready if you want.
No, I'm gonna run away.
No, Teresa, this is just a treat. It's just a fresh treat, okay?
No.
Oh, well, Ike, you want it? I won't give it to Teresa. Just kidding. I won't give it.
No. I think I'm gonna have to
I am
end
waiting for
this.
this girl to get out of the crate so I could offer for $100,000.
Okay, guys. I think I'm
who?
gonna have to end this. Trading, selling, DD Hills. Okay. No, Kayla.
Stop it.
Come on, can you
This
please
is
get out
just
of the
a
crate,
treat.
girl, please?
No, Kayla. This is too much.
No. You have to get it back.
No. Fine. No.
You got scammed. That's the least we could do. That's what best friends are for. Giving and taking.
Yeah, that's bad.
Well, I'm not gonna accept.
Well, I'll do it.
No, you don't.
I'll do it.
You're not. I'm gonna hide in the curtain.
Do it.
No, I'm hiding in the curtain. Do it. Oh gosh. I'm not gonna accept however you do it.
I am going to do it.
I'm not gonna accept. Don't you? No! No, 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 no!
No, don't.
Why?
You're not allowed to touch my properties.
But still, no, don't. No!